Hello and welcome everybody to Mac on Crypto. Whatever we say is not a financial advice. Do your own research and take your own actions. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel as your support is very important to us. Now let's dive in straight to the Bitcoin chart on the daily. And as we expected and predicted 2 days ago, the bottom of this dump hit exactly our target, the bottom of our ascending channel. To the dollar, it got hit 34,350 to 400. It was beautifully hit and it got rejected to the dollar up to 16.5% of rejection. Congratulations to whoever took this trade and made the profits. Enjoy it guys, enjoy it. It was beautiful and it got hit exactly as we said. Yeah baby, beautiful day it was. Beautiful rejection, beautiful profits. That's how it's done. None of you, the YouTubers, did see this target as a support zone for the Bitcoin to get a bounce off it. Yep, and now, before we show you what we've been seeing in the market and what we've been watching, don't forget if you would like to trade Bitcoin or any altcoins, Data Exchange is giving up to 30,000 free bonuses, C-Trade up to 8,000 free bonuses, Femex 3,600, Bybit 600, Binance discounts and bonuses. Grab it right now if you want to start trading if you're not already a trader. Please, the links are shared below if you would like to trade. Okay, now let's go back to the chart and let me show you what we've been monitoring for the past couple of weeks. One would say that Bitcoin is forming an elite wave to the downside. So this scenario is going to be the bearish scenario for the Bitcoin. Okay, it's going to be the bearish scenario for the Bitcoin. So we can count it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we'll go with the ABC correction: 1, 2, 3, C, ABC I mean. Okay, then again, if we look at the elite wave counts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and then again the correction will go over 1A, B, C. So people could say that we're now forming the five wave structure to the downside: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The 5 would be around the 27,000 area. Let me be precise. Like I always say, time matters. Okay, time matters. So around 27,200. Okay, it could be around 27,250. Alright, that should be the target for Bitcoin if it's gonna get rejected around the 40,500 area, which we'll be talking about afterwards. Okay, so what would be expect if we hit this? Obviously a rejection, another ABC rejection. Okay, so maybe something like this: bam, bam, bam. Probably something like that would play out and hit again the top target, and from there I would expect to start seeing a 5 wave structure to the upside. Maybe go from here with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that would play out. Okay, that is the scenario we're looking at on the long time frame for the Bitcoin chart. Okay, so what would be the bullish scenario for now? Okay, let's see. Personally, I think we have completed the five-wave structure for the Bitcoin. If we go for something like this, okay, and then it's a correction, probably. Maybe one could say now we're A, B, C, okay, and a lot of people would be expecting Bitcoin to just dump. All right, I personally think there is something that could be playing out, something like this. If we're gonna be bullish, we need to look at something like that. See, so we get a correction, small correction down to this zone. We're inside the parallel, then we start going impulsive. One, two, three, four, five. That would be a bullish scenario in my opinion, where we'll start curving up if this is gonna be the bar. So first, what do we need to look at? One, we need to break our resistances. Okay, hit the top, then make this as a resistance, turn this into a resistance, then break out of the ascending channel towards the upside to start building up. That's a point of view. Hope I was able to make it easy and clear for you guys. Okay, so that's on the long time frame, the things we're looking at for Bitcoin to play. If it's gonna get the downside, we have this low to be hit, okay, or maybe we can just go maybe like this, then start going up, start building a five-wave structure to the upside. So let's go now to the smaller time frame and show you guys how did we really got so confident as well without using any tools, without being too much of a pro, without talking too much. Okay, when we started breaking the downside, we just went for a parallel channel. We're keeping things simple. We always keep it simple. Bam. We took the top. Bam. What do you see? Beautiful. Nearly exactly as we timed it. Look how beautiful that was. Nearly exactly as we timed it. We just hit it. We start bouncing and going up. It was very beautiful. Very beautiful. So, what can we expect now? One, we have resistances and we have the supports now that we need to look at. Let me go back on the daily so we can find our support lines and resistances. So we have daily around here, and we have our daily around here. That would be the support. So our daily, and that's our daily. Okay. Okay, that would be it. There we go. Beautiful. Look where Bitcoin just bounced. Exactly. Wow. How beautiful was that? I wasn't even looking at that today. It just exactly tested it, and then it got around 2% rejection. Yep, around 2%. Okay. So what do we need to look at first? Okay. We have three things to look at. One, we'll go with the Fibonacci extension. We have our golden pocket around 40,770. If we go with the highest, I'm personally looking at this range. Okay, the highest would be to perform a swing failure pattern. So let me give you this idea. Okay, back. Okay, we'll go back to this one. Okay, let's measure with the volume, fixed range volume. Let's measure everything. Okay, beautiful. If we go for the full range, same exactly. Dump. That's it. Exactly at the swing failure pattern. That will be value area high, as well as that would be our swing failure pattern area, and it would be the value area high for the fixed range volume. Okay, so that's a conflict there. There we go. And there it is. And if we take these double lines, we'll see. Okay, that's no use. No, it's not useful. So that's what we have to look at. Okay, let me just check on the weekly if we have any good resistances. Nope, nothing around here. It's too high for now. Okay, for hourly. And there we go. We have two options to look at. One, Bitcoin to go up, hit around this area. Okay, for 40,000, around 40,500, then get rejected instantly. Make sure it needs to break the 40,000 area back to get back into the range you were expecting. Then go back down around this area for a retest. Okay, if Bitcoin goes down to this area, then starts going impulsive, that would be bullish for Bitcoin. Then we could say we are forming our would be starting to form a 5-wave structure, maybe like that. Okay, that could be a play for Bitcoin, but don't forget what I said before. Okay, we are still in a bearish trend. Those pumps doesn't mean anything for the people. They're looking for a new high, new all-time high. This doesn't mean anything yet. We're still at the lows. Okay, so once we break this ascending parallel channel, okay, in my opinion, once we break this descending channel first and then this ascending channel to the upside, that would be the bullish sign for the market to run really to the upside and start making a new all-time high. Okay, until then, We're just trading the ranges. We're looking where the bottoms could be, where the tops could be for now. So, Bitcoin. We have our first target around 40,500. Okay. Second, we have if we could perform a swing failure and then dump it. Okay. What's a swing failure? When the candle goes above the previous candle and then it closes below the previous candle. That's a swing failure. It's a sign that there's a reversal. Okay. It works like 80 to 90% of the time. Nothing in the market works 100%. We try to find the targets and we trade the targets. It's better to short the top than to long the top. Short it, success. Longing the top, not good. Okay? A lot of people they do try to trade the top, but the success rate, I'm sure it's not as successful as trading the top to the bottom to the low, shorting the top and longing the bottom. Okay? So that is what we're looking at. Okay? Always keep in mind if we go up with a strong volume, then keep your stop loss very tight because it could just break up and just keep going up to this area. Okay, so going around this area, the 43k area would be another opportunity to short Bitcoin. Okay, and that's it for now, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel as we're trying to give you guys all the ideas that we have in mind for you guys to trade it and make profits. Okay, thank you guys, have a good day and happy trading, people. Happy trading. We'll see you guys in another session.